Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Logitech camera is not working, then please watch this video. So the first thing we need to do, if your Logitech camera is not working or any other brand of camera for that matter, or even your built-in camera of the laptops, then what we need to do is we need to run device manager. Okay, we need to open it and we need to look for cameras and we will look for the camera, okay, webcam, and we'll click on update driver. So most of the times this is enough to fix the camera issue. Now if that doesn't work, then we can always use the camera troubleshooter, which normally does the work if the first option doesn't do the work. So we will right click on start, go to settings, we will click on system, look, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we will run the camera troubleshooter by clicking run, and normally this should solve the issue. If both of these options don't work, then the only reason that the camera is not working could be the recent updates that we have done, and for that we need to roll back the update or uninstall the update. For that we need to right click on start, go to settings, click on Windows Update, then click on update history and go to uninstall updates. So for example, I downloaded these three updates on the 30th of May. Now, if my camera was working before the 30th of May, I definitely know that one of these updates has caused an issue with my camera. So I'll just press uninstall and uninstall again, and I will restart my computer, and definitely your camera should work now. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.